Don't you just love putting your El Camino's 14-inch spare on for a 15-inch because your rear tire fucking blew out right in the middle of the fucking highway? Ah, what a beautiful day it is. And this bitch is flat. Wonderful. We made it to FL2K23.
Truck sounds good.
It's cloud moving towards us.
Yeah, we're gonna get rained on again.
Unless it can pass us without raining.
That was small. They both did small burnouts.
That is the cutest
LS swapped S2K. Get your arm out of my video. I think the Chevelle's got it.
I don't think so. Not a shot at all. Maybe. Oh my
He proposed. Wow, they got proposed.
What the hell are you clapping for?
That's fucking cute, bitch.
Get on with the racing. I've been to 3 events in a row that freaking a proposal has gone down mid-event. Look at Ty. His now fiance. He had his now fiance back him up. And he's broken. Damn it, everyone stood up. Fastest T56 LT1 powered car in the world.